5 weeks off. 5 weeks of class. Start pa. 5 weeks off. Yeah. 5 weeks off.
Hi guys!
No, 5 weeks. Yan. What you have today is reporting. Reporting about? Ano nga? Ano yung report natin ngayon?
Body parts.
Body parts. Body instruction and function. So don't change your channel. Stay here. This is important to our body. Matapos yung one. Nag-start na kami.
Cardiovascular system consists of the heart, blood vessels, and blood. This system has three main functions: transport of nutrients, oxygen, and hormones to cells throughout the body, and removal of metabolic wastes, carbon dioxide, nitrogenous waste. The heart is a muscular organ, a little larger than your fist, weighing 7 and 15 ounces. It's 200 to 425 grams. Heart. That's the part of it. The heart is usually situated in the middle of the thorax, with the largest part of the heart slightly offset to the left underneath the breastbone or sternum vein. Takes oxygenated blood from the left to the left, from the lungs to the left atrium. Left atrium.
Circulatory system or /vascular system. Just like what is written, is an organ system that permits blood to circulate and transport nutrients, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. So, kapag yung blood natin, so once the blood hindi nagpa-functions ng maayos, so may something wrong with our lungs. So, yan yung pinaka essential components ng human cardiovascular is our heart, the blood, and yung mga vessels natin, blood vessels. So, heart pumps blood through the blood vessels to the tissues and cells. Muscular organ about the size of a fist, sabi nga ni Miss Maria. So, next, chambers of heart. Atria, ventricles. Let's see. Atria is the two upper chambers. Yung dalawang nakasulat, nakataas doon. Ventricles, the two lower chambers naman yung nasa baba ng ano natin. So, see, ang magiging flow natin dito is from right atrium, right ventricle, going to the left atrium, then left ventricle. So, from the right atrium, it receives the blood from the veins and pumps, okay, to the right ventricle. So, papunta siya sa right ventricle. So, from the right ventricle, it receives blood from the right atrium and pumps to the lungs. So, once it pumps, goes to the left atrium. Tama ba yung kasi ma'am? Receives oxygen and blood from the lungs and pumps to the left ventricle. So, kailangan lahat talaga siya nagpa-functions. Okay? Now, from the left ventricle, the strongest chamber. So, it says strongest chamber, which pumps oxygen, which blood to the rest of the body. Its vigorous construction create our blood pressure. So, if our left ventricle is mahina ang pump, kakaroon tayo sa blood pressure. It's either mapifeel yung init ng katawan kasi if the blood vessels or yung blood natin is hindi talaga siya nagpa-function very well, nagkakaroon tayo ng yung heat, mararamdaman ng bawat cell. Okay? Tama ba rin?
Yes, about respiratory system.
Hala, palitan mo yan!
Okay guys, I will discuss the respiratory system with Miss Felicia. I'll start now.
Or you can see the different kinds of blood. You're gonna have the lung cancer.
Kaya talaga ako. Parang ano ako nag-iit ako Parang and have exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. So we are going to have this respiratory system components. So these are the respiratory system components. So as you can see, there is a nasal cavity, nostril, the oral cavity, the pharynx, the trachea, the larynx, right main primary bronchus, and left main primary bronchus, right lung, cluster of alveoli, base of left lung, and diaphragm. So the structures are the upper respiratory tract and the lower respiratory tract. So as you can see here, this from this one, hindi makita yung from this side, this is the upper respiratory system. So you can see it here, the nasal cavity, the nostril, oral cavity, the larynx, the pharynx, and the trachea. That is the upper respiratory tract. So the lower one is this one. This is the lower one. The right main primary bronchus, right lung, clusters of alveoli, left main primary bronchus, base of left lung, and diaphragm. So that is the structures of respiratory tract. So here you can see also the definitions for trachea, the bronchi, bronchioles, and alveoli. The trachea is the tube connecting the throat to the bronchi. Me and Teresa will discuss about digestive system. Okay.
Digestive system breaks down food into protein, vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, and fats, which the body needs for energy, growth, and repair. This is the
from the mouth, esophagus through the stomach na yan. As here, the hollow organ that make up your GI tract are the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. The solid organ of digestive system are the liver. The hollow organ of the digestive system, guys, are the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and the anus. Only that one are the hollow organ of the digestive. And the solid part of the digestive are only the liver, pancreas, and the gallbladder.
May dipid siya.
This is the short video of how digestive system works or function.
Heaviest organ, and it's the most crucial. It's the most crucial. So once our liver, without our liver, eventually our body will stop working. Yeah. So we need to drink moderately. So the function. So one of the functions of the liver is to filter the body's blood. Okay. So our body's blood. So the liver usually it regulates two flows. So one is called the hepatic artery. Okay. It delivers blood from the heart. And then the other one is hepatic portal vein, which brings it from the intestine. Bakit siya mahalaga? Why is it important? Because these two delivery fills the liver with nutrients and oxygen in order for our liver to be healthy. So the liver, as what Ate Chen said, the liver can break down fats, proteins, carbohydrates. So one of the examples is breaking down of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, the liver converts them into sugar, and then our body needs sugar for us to work like kung wala tayong sugar, malamig na tayo. So, after nun, if the liver, just like what I said, di ba, parang
So far, none of us doesn't have any idea. Actually, our endocrine system is one of the major important in our body. Why? Because it affects all of our organs except for Madam Heart and her lungs. The rest, kailangan natin to. Sige na, hindi mapasa ka na. Sige na,
So guys, endocrine system. The endocrine system is made up of glands that make hormones. Hormones are the body's chemical messengers. They carry information and instructions from one set of cells to another. The endocrine system influences almost every cell, organ, and function of our bodies.
So, as you can see, kita ba siya sa likod? Yes, ma'am. From the head to our favorite parts, kailangan siya, di ba? From our head to our favorite parts. It's
Your favorite parts. Say it.
yeah. No, actually from the head until our
What is that?
favorite part. Ay, kayo tatlo. That's just clear. No. So next, so see from head to foot, from head to half.
Did you know that is my favorite part?
Ayun. Eto, dito ka. How do I explain this one? Actually, not all of us are healthy, right? There are people who are easily to get sick because they have some hormone problems.
Yeah.
So each part of it that's present in this endocrine system, yung sa body na parts na yon, explain namin. So the parts of our endocrine system are
The hypothalamus, thyroid, adrenals, the ovaries, pituitary, parathyroid, pineal body, and the testes, your favorite.
ako lang ba, pati sila.
Ako rin din pag matitikman. The inner part is adrenal medulla. It makes catecholamine,
Catecholamines,
means such as epinephrine.
epinephrine. Epinephrine. Basahin mo. Epinephrine. Also called as adrenaline.
Epinephrine increases blood pressure and heart rate when the body is under stress. Balik na lang siguro ako sa
Ano ka? Corrected pala sa'yo to eh.
English na kasi meron tayo kasama.
Yun. So, this one is the adrenal medulla. It releases the adrenaline rush. So, I'm sorry because I told you before that it is not heart is not included, but it is now. Why? When you see your crush, ipitik yan. Your heart will gonna pump.
tugtog sa my heart.
And then, of course, your crush will approach you. Pahiya-hiya pa tong mato. You're going to carry the things of your teacher, even though you cannot carry it because of the weight. So, your body is releasing adrenaline. Another example. Yes, there is a fire. Your refrigerator that's heavier than you are. You can carry it. That's adrenaline rush.
I have a lot of
We're gonna tackle about the muscular system. So, what is muscular system? It's composed of specialized cells called muscle fibers. So, their predominant function is contractibility. Muscles attached to bones or internal organs of blood vessels are responsible for movement. So, it means to allow movement all our bodies. So, then, next is, we have three types, it means major types of muscle in the body. First is skeletal muscle, second smooth muscle, and third is cardiac muscle. First is the skeletal muscle, the specialized tissue that is attached to bones and allows movement. Parehas na, nakaunasan. Bones are called the musculoskeletal system. It means locomotor system. It means voluntary moving. Voluntary. So it's a group into opposing pairs such as
the biceps and triceps on the front and back of the upper arm. So ito, biceps and triceps are under our conscious control, which is why they are also known as voluntary muscle. Another term is striated muscle, since the tissue looks straight when viewed under a microscope. Then the second is smooth muscle. It's located in various internal structures, including digestive tract, uterus, and blood vessels such as arteries. Rich in layered sheaths that contract in waves along the length of the structure. So another common term is involuntary muscles. Since the motion of smooth muscle happens without our conscious of it, this means the smooth muscles inside in our digestive system. So we cannot control the movements of our smooth muscles. Then the third one is cardiac muscle. The muscle specific to the heart contracts and relaxes without our conscious awareness. So that's our...
Yung adduction, yung parang pag magyayakap ka. Okay? If you want to have moving like this. And the abduction is you moving away the muscles. It's like a stretching like that. And then the flexion is the one if you bending a joint to decrease an angle. Pag nagbe-bend ka or something, yung flex, something like that. And extension if you straight. And then the rotation, your body itself, you're rotating ang axis. And the general facts about the muscular system, there are 600, actually it's 600 plus. It's not only muscles that work together to enable full functioning of the body. Muscle makes approximately 40% of total weight. The heart is the hardest working muscles in the body. It's pumped 5 quarts of blood per minute and 2,000 gallons daily. The gluteus maximus is the body's largest muscles. It is in the buttocks and help human maintain the upright posture. The ear contains the smallest muscles in the body alongside the smallest bone. These muscles hold the inner ear together and are connected to the eardrum. A muscle called the masseter in the jaw is the strongest muscles by weight. It allows the teeth to close with the force of up to 55 pounds on the incisors or 200 pounds on the molars. And one more thing, there are supportive structures also. The tendons and the fascia. The tendons is the one who attach a muscle to
I'd like to apologize in advance because we didn't have visual aid, so this is ma'am's courtesy. Okay, so we are about to report about nervous system. The nervous system transmits signals between the brain and the rest of the body, including internal organs. In this way, the nervous system's activity controls the ability to move, breathe, see, think, and more. So there are two parts of the nervous system, two main parts actually. A central nervous system made up of the brain and spinal cord. So yeah, boost your brain and spinal cord. Second one is peripheral nervous system. It's made up of nerves that branch off from the spinal cord and extends to all parts of the body. So basically, nervous system is the one that because there are okay, so the human body is over 100 billion neurons, and the brain can receive over 100,000 signals per second. Meaning to say, if someone touches you, you'll feel it right away because it goes to your brain and then brings signals to your body that someone touches you here. And it can be then like 100,000 signals per second. So even if you're touched to many parts of your body per second, your body communicates very well with your brain. And then the brain brings signals to your body, knowing where to touch.
Are you nervous?
It's because it's nervous system.
It's the nervous system.
So, yeah.
Go, Son!
Nahiya siya.
Son!
Kasi nag-iisa siya Quezon. Sa
Just read!
Yes, siya.
The nervous system is made up of the brain, the spinal cord, and the nervous cord. One of the most important systems in your body. The nervous system in your body control system. It sends, receive, and proceed, develop, declare, the process in their body. Function. The function. Fashion, sensory input, sensory are important in the skin, organ,
Yes, siya.
Need lang to explain. Ngunit naman. Reproductive system of an organism, also known as the genital system, is the biological system made of all the anatomical organs involved in the sexual reproduction. Many non-living substances such as fluids, what is this? Fluid? I cannot. Fluids, hormones, and chromosomes are also important accessories to the reproductive system. And male reproductive system is mostly male reproductive system is mostly located outside of the body. This is as external organs included the penis. This is the male. Then the seminal, prostate gland, vas deferens, and testis, scrotum, and urethra. This is the structure of the male reproductive system. I'm going to talk about the male reproductive system. Male. Pinakabaliktad na tayo. Sabi ko male ako sa'yo female. Sige, pinakailan ko maging definition.
Okay. First, what is a male reproductive system? Anybody knows what is a male reproductive system is? Okay. Okay, sabi niya dito, it supply and to produce sperm. Nakaka-relate ko tayo lahat, what is sperm? Sometimes. Okay, tabi-tabi doon sa mga virgin. Okay. Sa mga hindi pa nakahawak or nakakita. Okay. Okay. In male reproductive system, there are two parts. There is external and there is internal. In internal, there are four parts. First is the penis, and penis. Tanungin na lang ninyo yung mga guys dito. Okay.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, guys. My name is Marie, and tonight we're going to discuss about skeletal system. What is a skeletal system? Skeletal system is made of bones, ligaments, and tendons, which shapes the body and protections organs. Works with muscular system to help the body move. Marrow, which is soft, fatty tissue that produces red blood cells, many white blood cells, and other immune system cells found inside body. So, skeletal system consists of cartilage, ligaments, bones, and tendons. So guys, 20% of our body weight ay skeletal system. Saka, an adult skeletal system has contains 206 bones. At nung baby naman tayo, meron tayong 300 bones. So habang lumalaki, nag-fuse siya, kaya nagkakaroon ng decrease ng bones at nagiging 206 na lang. So, there are some differences of female and male bones. Male bones has longer arms, longer bones, and has a high bone mass. In female, on the other hand, mas ang pelvic is broader to accommodate for pregnancy o panganganak.
Hindi kami umabot next week.
Liver, skin, pinakamabigat.
Uwian na. Hindi kami umabot. Sige. Bye. See you next week. Bye. Bye. Bye guys. See you next week. Bye. 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 See you next week. Bye, ma'am. See you next week.
Gusto mo ba ni-transfer